High-protein foods and their benefits. Research-based insights. Protein is an essential macronutrient required for muscle building, metabolism, immune function, and overall health. Research supports the benefits of high-protein foods in various physiological functions. Below are some key aspects. Muscle growth and maintenance. High-protein foods promote muscle protein synthesis essential for growth, repair, and maintenance of muscle mass. Research evidence. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming 20 to 40 grams of protein per meal maximized muscle protein synthesis. A review in Sports Medicine stated that consuming 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of protein daily supports muscle hypertrophy, especially in resistance-trained individuals. Best sources: lean meats like chicken, turkey, and beef, fish such as salmon and tuna, eggs, dairy products including Greek yogurt and cottage cheese, and plant-based options like lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa. Weight management and satiety. Protein increases satiety and reduces calorie intake by affecting hunger hormones like ghrelin and glucagon-like peptide 1. Research evidence. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that a high-protein diet, meaning more than 25% of daily calories, resulted in greater weight loss and fat loss compared to lower protein diets. Research in obesity reviews showed that protein intake of 1.2 to 1.6 grams per kilogram per day promotes satiety and reduces calorie intake. Best sources: lean meats, eggs, and plant-based proteins like beans, tofu, and nuts. Bone health. High-protein diets support bone health by increasing calcium absorption and reducing fracture risks. Research evidence. A review in Osteoporosis International concluded that high-protein intake, more than 1.2 grams per kilogram per day, improved bone density and reduced osteoporosis risk. A New England Journal of Medicine study found that whey protein supplementation reduced the risk of fractures in older adults. Best sources: dairy products like cheese, milk, and yogurt, fish such as sardines and salmon with bones, and legumes. Metabolism and fat loss. Protein has a higher thermic effect of food, or TEF, compared to fats and carbs, which increases energy expenditure. Research evidence suggests that a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition from 2020 found that protein-rich meals increased calorie burning by 15 to 30%, compared to 5 to 10% from carbohydrates. Plus, a study in metabolism from 2016 found that high-protein diets improved resting energy expenditure, supporting fat loss. Some of the best sources of protein include lean meats, fish, and nuts and seeds. Heart health. High-protein diets, especially those that are plant-based, improve cardiovascular health by reducing LDL cholesterol and blood pressure. According to research evidence, a meta-analysis in Circulation from 2019 found that plant-based proteins reduce LDL cholesterol and improve heart health. Additionally, a study in hypertension from 2020 showed that higher protein intake lowered systolic blood pressure. For the best sources, look to legumes like beans and lentils, nuts such as almonds and walnuts, and fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. Blood sugar control. Protein slows carbohydrate digestion, which reduces blood sugar spikes and improves insulin sensitivity. Research evidence includes a study in diabetes care from 2018 that found higher protein intake improved glycemic control in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition from 2019 found that whey protein reduced post-meal glucose levels. For optimal sources of protein, consider lean meats, dairy, and nuts and seeds. Immune function. Proteins are essential for immune cell production, including antibodies, cytokines, and enzymes. Research evidence shows that a review in Nutrients from 2020 found that amino acids like glutamine and arginine enhance immune response and recovery. Also, a study in the Journal of Nutrition from 2017 showed that protein deficiency weakens immunity, increasing infection risk. To boost your immune function, the best sources of protein are poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy.